A new project for my DIY CNC laser. I'm going to reconstruct a scale model of a geodesic dome. My father designed and built this geodesic dome for my grandparents back in the early 80s. During the design phase, he built a scale model to figure out the angles and work out the basic design scheme. He drew shapes on hardboard, cut the shapes on the table saw, and glued them together. I'm taking on the challenge to recreate the scale model by using more modern technology, CAD and CNC Laser. A little bit about the machine itself. It's constructed from recycled cardboard and fiberglass resin. 2 stepper motors, a 2.5 watt laser. The lead screw is just 1/4 threaded rod, and I'm using the Arduino, GRBL, universal Gcode sender, and simple CNC to do the Gcode programming.